Do you want to know how you can verify your email address in Crunchyroll? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can verify your email address. Go ahead and log into your Crunchyroll account at crunchyroll.com. Then, you can see this notification over here. Go ahead and click Send Verification Link. Then, you can see that the verification link was sent to the email address with which you registered to your Crunchyroll account. Go ahead and click on your link and go to this link. Go ahead and click this link over here as well, and in a while, you can see that your email address has been verified. So, this is how you verify your email address in Crunchyroll. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us in the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.